Another quick trip today, but it should be a nice one. Today I'm going to jump right across the river and check out Astoria Park in Queens. Let's go. It's nice to see all the plants coming back. It's tulip season, so there's a lot of color around the city right now. When I was thinking about how to get over there today, I remembered that this is one of the perfect opportunities to utilize the ferry because it jumps right across the river, goes right to Astoria. So that's what we'll do. So Astoria Park is right over there, right across the river. Ferry should be here in a couple minutes. I have my list of all possible places to go, and I just kind of pick and choose from that list whenever I'm thinking about going out and shooting. I chose this park today because it's kind of out of the way. Hopefully it'll be kind of quiet. See how it goes. That's what I'm talking about. That's what the ferry is for. That took less than 5 minutes to get across the river. And now here we are in Astoria. Let's go find some stuff. This is Hallets Cove Playground. And look, there's a bathroom. There's some nice facilities over here. Looks like it's all been redone recently. It's nice. And to be clear, we're not to Astoria Park yet. This is all still Hallets Cove. Good stuff though. Just passed a Waffle House cup in the trash. I wonder where there's a Waffle House. I miss Waffle House. This does not look like such a happy day for them. I haven't walked around Queens in 20-something years. Some of these houses are incredible. Beautiful old houses. And it's interesting because they're in the same block as apartment buildings like those. There's a guy in Speedos up on one of those balconies up there. Here we go, Astoria Park. Right off we're here under the Triborough Bridge, or the RFK Bridge, and there's a whole running track here in the park. I don't think I've ever seen an actual rubber track in a public park. It's nice. Here we got one set of Astoria Park bathrooms. I think there's another one over there. Tennis courts. And we're back under the Triborough Bridge again, except on the other side of the river. You can actually see where we were over in the Randall's Island video, just across the river over there. There's a fire truck there right now. Who knows? Skate park right under the bridge. And then again, we got the Hellgate Bridge right over here, just past the Triborough. Once again, I'm not really sure what the best way to attack this park is. can go down by the river, or you can go up and around and back down by the river. I don't know. So I'll go this way up and then come back by the river. See what we see. Over here we got the Astoria Park pool, which is another Robert Moses creation. Robert Moses really liked his pools. This one's also nice and big. Not quite as big as the High Bridge pool, but it's big. There's even high dives here, which it looks like they may have filled in the area under the high dive for safety reasons, but I bet they used to be cool. Yeah, it's filled in and the ladder's caged off. Safety. I walked myself into a corner here, so we gotta go around. First World War monument, another playground, another bathroom. Guy put a brick under one of the bikes over there on the city bike rack just to lift it up enough so the wheel was off the ground. He's using it as a stationary bike. Inventive. There are people using that shuffleboard court. There are a lot more people here than I expected there'd be. I mean, it's nice outside again. They haven't made the walkway between the pilings as appealing as they did on the other side. They're still impressively big though. It's another chain gang. It's a nice park. Now I'm just kind of walking around in circles. I lived over here in Astoria for a summer, so I think I'm gonna swing by that place and check it out on my way to the subway station. Well, I just stepped in a massive pile of doggy diarrhea. Didn't realize what it was, so I touched it. I don't know why I touched it, but I touched it. And then realized what it was. It's just, yeah. I'm gonna stop and get the hand sanitizer out. Hang on. Well, that's definitely a bummer. I know what I'll be doing when I get home now. Cleaning shoes. Not shuffleboard, bocce ball. Nice. All right, very nice park and well enjoyed by the community, it seems, because there's so many people here. It is a beautiful day though. Spring is here. This is still a neat little neighborhood. There it is. Looks about the same. I think I put that air conditioner in up there. Unless they've changed it since then. It looks like it could be 20 years old though. I'm now seeing so much that I didn't take advantage of when I lived here. Because I'm in a totally different place in my life now, so I see the places that I would go now. I didn't even think of going then. Taverns, restaurants, bars, you know. This is a very Greek neighborhood, so all the Greek food you could want. Cool area. All right, onto the subway. Well, I'm back up to the east side. Another nice little park. Good little trip. Again, if you like what I'm doing here, be sure to tell your friends about it. Check out all the old episodes already on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time.